everyone. Today we discuss on the test code and procedure for row crop cultivator. The row crop cultivator is generally used for the interculture operation. In the scope of the test code and procedure is applicable to the animal and tractor drawn mounted cultivator for comparison with the indigenous implement used for the same purpose. Following is an outline of the test code and procedure, that is the definition of terms, specification of the machine, laboratory test condition, performance test, practical field test, criteria for evaluation, and test report format. Now the definition of terms means the weeding efficiency. It is the ratio of the numbers of plants removed by the numbers of plant present. It's called the weeding efficiency. Specification of the machine. Prior to test, the specification of the machine as well as information on the manufacturer's recommended performance and working capacity have to confirm and examine. The machine should be obtained with all the technical information, and the manufacturer specification which must be verified and reported are given in a test report format. In laboratory test, it contains it available the types. We check the available types of the soil working parts to check the adjustment of working width and depth, to find out the material of the soil working parts and safety aspect. Now the test condition, you should be check the first condition of the crop and the name of the crop and variety, space of the row, hill distance in row, height of the crop plant, growth stage. In condition of the field, that is the area and shape of the test plot, type and character of the soil moisture and penetrometer profile, degree of weed infestation. Now regarding the condition of the implement operator, that is the type of soil working parts, which are the soil working parts, then how the provision of the adjustment of the implement, then how the machine movement pattern in the field, then operating speed, available operating speed of the machine, and skill of the operator. In performance test, the area of each plot should be not less than 0.2 hectare for cultivator mounted on tractors and 0.1 hectare for others. The plot should be rectangular in the ratio of 2:1 as far as possible, and the following parameters should be measured during the performance test, that is the working width, the depth of cultivation, weeding efficiency, actual operation hours, plant damage, time spent for turning at headland, time spent for adjustment of the machine, then time for trouble, and take the actual traveling speed, measure the fuel consumption, and find out the percentage of the wheel slip, and measure the draft of the implement. For practical field test, the following are the criteria to measure the practical field test, that is the types of field and soil for which cultivator is suitable, crop and height of the crop plant for which the cultivator is suitable, then source of power, accuracy and uniformity in operation, types of soil working parts, ease of operation and maintenance of the implement, working capacity of the implement, labor requirement and operating cost of the implement. Now the following is the test report format. It should be contain the test title, also shall contain the introduction and background. It also contain the aim and objective of the test. It contains the planning of the test and procedure. It contains also the types and main specification of the implement tested, and it contains the principal data of the test condition and result, and at last discussion, conclusion and recommendation. Thank you.